Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our player of the game, Adrian Nocum, and Coach Yeng Yao, trainer Shine. Coach Yeng, congratulations. Naputol na yung losing streak nyo. And unlike last game, this time, pagpasok ng second group, ng third group, they really tried their best to sustain the momentum. Mukhang coach, natuto na sila, ayaw na mapagalitan.
Sana. Yun nga, no, yung nangyari, last two games, we had really good starts, pero nagko-collapse kami nung second quarter. No? We were able to hold on in this game and maintain control of the whole game. So, before we came out of the locker room, sinabi ko lang, unburden ourselves of the losing streak. Natin isipin yung losing streak. Isipin lang natin, mag-compete lang tayo. We can win at our best. If we're competing at our best, that's really the time that we win. But yung mga last games namin, pagka nawalan kami ng focus, dun pumabagsak yung laro namin. So, ang objective lang namin today is really keep our focus, just compete. At the end of the game, we go back to the locker room. If we competed well, we would have won the game. If we did not compete well, talo tayo. Ganun lang kasimple yung usapan namin.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Adrian, dun sa back-to-back losses, no, isa ka dun sa, sabi mo, napapagalitan ni Coach Yeng because of your decision-making. You were missing easy layups, but this game, you were able to redeem yourselves. Ang ganda ng pinakita mo. If you, share mo lang sa amin, how much you really prepared and want to yung focus for this game para makabawi na?
Ayun na, umpisa pa lang wala na akong ibang inisip kundi yung makabawi. Hindi man sa shoot, yung sa mga rebound, sa mga... Siyempre sa tulong din ng mga teammate ko. Kaya nakuha ko itong yung player of the game. Wala naman ako ibang iniisip kundi lang talaga, makatulong lang sa teammate.
Pinakita na natin kanina, no, yung isa nga sa mga panata na yearly nagpa-participate ka, yung lakbayaw, yung lakbay habang sumasayaw. And sabi mo nga, ang konsepto nun is yung hiling mo, isasayaw mo. And it's gonna be happening this weekend. Tinanong kita kanina kung may wish ka na. At ito na nga yung sample mo kanina. But share mo lang sa amin, how important is it for you, yung mga ganitong paniniwala, and to try your best to attend this tradition every year?
Kasi 2016 na ako nag-start niyan Yung mga kaibigan ko, meron kaming nun, lakbayaw. So habang naglalakbay kayo, sumasayaw ko. Yung Santo Niño, kagaya sa Cebu. Sa Cebu, di ba merong sinulog? Ayun yung sa amin sa Tondo. So yun, hiling mo, isayaw mo. Yun na yung
Naisip mo ba yung isasayaw at hiling mo?
Wala pa, sa Sabado pa yun.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Coach, with the way you beat Northport tonight, top team sa standings, would that bode well going to your another big game against Barangay Nebra?
Of course, no? Malaking tulong to arrest the losing skid is really a morale booster. And we need a lot of that, especially going to our game against Ginebra. Maganda sa amin, may 6-day break kami. So we can take a little break, recover, prepare. We have enough time to prepare for the Ginebra game. And try to see how far this takes us. Sabi ko nga, naka-6 na panalo kami. 7 hinahabol namin para siguradong nasa quarters ka at makaiwas ka rin sa 7 and 8. So yung Ginebra game namin, yun yung pang-7 panalo namin kung sakali, kung kakayanin. Pero subukan natin. Ganda rin ang nilalaro ng Ginebra. Pero ako naman, ang laki ng tiwala ko dito sa team namin. As long as, sabi ko, as long as we're competing, we should be okay. Yung last 2 games namin, medyo half-hearted yung pag-compete namin. Hindi kami kasing diin, hindi kami kasing determinado. Siguro nakakabuti rin yung may losing streak ka. It's a wake-up call, it's a way to reset your mindset. So, nakabuti rin sa amin.
Coach, how do you like yung play nyo sa defense? Kasi there were some points na kung hindi lang naka 32 points yung Northport sa fourth, baka na less than 100 sila.
I think it was more of our defense tonight. Ang taas ng score namin, pero sa amin kasi mataas na score medyo normal sa pace namin. Tapos ang maganda pa rito, meron kaming 7 guys in double figures. So, yun yung talaga yung nahabol namin magpalag si offense namin. Sa kabila kasi, alam namin, 3 tao i-score doon. Import, si Monson, at saka si Tolentino. Sabi namin kung mabawasan lang namin yun, tapos ma-hold namin yung locals nila na hindi makakontribute. Actually, medyo yun nga yung nangyari. Dominant lang yung import nila dahil nagka-foul trouble yung import din namin, kaya hirap na kaming pigilan, wala kaming pang-match up. Pero nung na-control namin yung locals nila, medyo kontrolado din namin yung laro. Kasi yung si Monson at si Tolentino medyo siguro nahirapan din sa depensa namin.
Okay, that is it for our post-game
Thank you.
press